Greetings to all. I'm Yashti Bhardwaj, currently a student at Pravino Education. I'm preparing for NEET UG 2024. At first, after my 12th standard, I didn't even have a future as to what I wanted to do. So I joined NEET coaching crash course to see if I could do it. And through that 1 month course, I have realized that I do have the potential by the guidance of the amazing teachers and all, which has helped me to obtain marks which were beyond my expectations. Now I'm currently studying for the past 7 months in this coaching and have seen changes in myself that I never really expected that I could do it. And the teachers here, especially in physics, that I was not very good at it, but through constant classes and assignments, tests and all, I have seen greater improvement in my confidence and I have achieved higher marks and I'm aiming for declared NEET in the next year. So yeah, thank you.